If you're on the path to tenure, you already know what's ahead. The dossier, teaching statement, research statement, service record, weeks of documentation on top of everything else you already do. There's a better way. Twistly Words works inside Microsoft Word and turns hours of drafting into minutes. Let me show you. Let's start with a real example. I'm opening a document with Dr. Michael Torres's teaching data. He's been an assistant professor of computer science for 6 years. That's strong material. You have to organize the information, find the right structure, and make it readable for non-specialists on the tenure committee. Now watch this. I open Twistly Words inside Microsoft Word, click Create Text, and attach the file right in the sidebar. Then I write my prompt. I specify what to include: teaching philosophy, evaluation growth, innovations, mentoring, awards. I specify the audience, a tenure committee with both specialists and non-specialists, and I specify the tone, professional, evidence-based, and reflective. I hit enter. In less than a minute, I get a fully structured first draft. Clear teaching philosophy at the top, measurable results in the middle, mentoring and impact near the end. It reads like a real academic document because the structure, transitions, and logic are already there. Dr. Torres then spends 30 to 40 minutes reviewing it, adding a personal story, adjusting the emphasis, and making the voice his own. 8 to 10 hours becomes one. Now let's look at a harder challenge. Dr. Torres's research is in machine learning for climate prediction. Highly technical work. But his tenure committee includes people outside his field, and they still need to understand one thing. Does this research matter? That's where writing gets difficult. You're not just describing your work, you're translating it for smart people who are not specialists. So I attach Dr. Torres's research data in Twistly and write a very specific prompt. Write for non-experts. Avoid jargon. Use analogies. Explain not just what was published, but why it matters. Here's the result. The opening explains AI for climate science in plain language, comparing it to how AI learns patterns in images or language. One section explains that his system can predict hurricanes 24 hours earlier than traditional methods, which means more time to evacuate and more lives protected. Another explains that the NSF Career Award goes to only a small percentage of applicants, showing how highly his work is valued by the academic community. That's exactly what the committee needs. They may not follow every technical detail, but they can clearly see that the research is important, credible, and recognized. Dr. Torres then spends about an hour reviewing the draft, checking accuracy, adding nuance, and making the voice his own. 12 to 15 hours becomes 2. Teaching statement, research statement, service record. 3 major documents, usually 25 to 30 hours of work spread across weeks. With Twistly Words, that becomes 4 to 5 hours. And it's not just faster, it's better. Twistly Words works directly inside Microsoft Word. No new software, no broken workflow, no export-import mess. You attach your materials, write a prompt, and get a strong first draft ready for revision. You stay in control. You make the final decision.